Gets really smooth.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. See that?
Yeah. Is it working? Let me see.
Oh no, it's making it like black. Probably because this is black, maybe.
Yeah, probably.
We need to like. Dang, how do we?
I don't know. Alrighty, so this is what it came down to. It doesn't look that good, but yeah.
Test on it.
We're just gonna do tests on it, so it doesn't need to be exactly mirror, so don't get triggered in the comments.
Yeah, that's our best attempt.
Yeah, best attempt. We tried polishing it with like polish solution, and it didn't really work, so yeah. Now here are the tests.
Where the heck did the cap go for the
Oop.
polisher?
Here, just drive forward on it. I'll tell you when. Okay. It did absolutely nothing.
Let me try burning out on it.
It's a freaking tank, bro.
Holy crap. Wow.
Okay, so this is the damage done. You can't really see it too well. Let me zoom in with one finger. But there's like, it kind of like fringed off some of it. So that's the damage done for that. Now let's do throwing it on the ground. Okay. Oh my god. Dude, it's actually getting like fringy. Okay, get the ground. You ready?
I missed it.
Dude, I actually like made it flat.
Oh, it's not focusing. Come on.
Come on, just tell it to focus.
Focus. Focus.
Okay, so this is the damage done on the throw. You can see that it got flat.
Okay,
Here's
try
throw
to-
number 2.
Okay.
Nice toss.
Starting to pull
It's
some of that
getting
stuff out.
worse.
But it's still a tank. It's surviving.
It's still a tank, yeah.
It is 100% surviving.
What are we doing now, sledgehammer?
Should we do car first? Cause I feel
Car?
like-
Let's do it.
Okay. There it is.
Ooh, beautiful. I hope my camera just doesn't die like right when we're about to go. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
It's a pan. Oh, look at like
That's
it
weird.
destroyed it.
All right, so
Let me
there's
turn the
our third
ISO
test.
a little bit. Holy dude.
That smushed it like a pancake.
It like here,
Looks
let me
like a
get
hockey
in.
puck.
Let me get in here. Like it destroyed it. There's like rock indents and stuff.
Yeah.
Now for the
Alright.
final test.
Sledgehammer. Where?
Dun 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 dun. Alright, let me get that good angle. Just wait on it.
Who am I to let you
Gotta get her good, you know? Okay. Do it. Yeah.
I missed.
Okay, that was good.
All right, so it made a very big indent.
Here, let me get it. Let me show that little indent right there. Look at that.
It still is like strong.
It's still like, it feels a lot more like hefty now.
Yeah. Okay, Kevin, you ready for yours, man?
Oh yeah.
It doesn't really matter if you hit these
Yeah,
concrete. I don't think they're gonna
doesn't-
break. I mean, there's a
Alright.
possibility.
We're running really low on battery, by the way. Looks like I hit this really good.
Who am I to let you down, down, down?
Oh, Oh, let's see the damage done.
Now it
Okay.
is flat like a pancake.
So you got a flat like a pancake. A rock just fell out of it.
Can we please focus?
It's okay. It's okay. They can see it. Here, I gotcha.
Did a rock actually fall out of it? Dude, that's
Yeah.
cool.
So we got this, and here, hold it. So we got that.
It's warm from you.
It's really warm, and it's just a flat pancake now.
Yeah.
Imagine,
Imagine
if
we could probably like peel this stuff together and make like a cool like
Yeah,
hot
we
kind of
could.
thing.
We could
That'd be cool.
for sure.
It is like thick now.
Yeah,
All the like outside stuff is like, we could cut it apart.
we could. But are we? I don't know.
Okay, so on the outside it's like gray and dark, and then we open it up and it's like shiny.
It's beautiful.
It really is.
I really should never use this lens. The autofocus is so bad, bro.
Look
It's
at
also
that.
really bright.
Shiny.
Yeah.
And here's the outside that was.
It's the shell. Wait, let me see this. Dude, dude, this is literally like a it feels so cool.
I know.
That's really cool.
And the inside of this is shiny too.
Yeah. Gold medal. Hot golf? Golf? Ready?
I missed.
I'm pretty sure you got a hole in one.
Yeah.
You can do it. It's a perfect medal.
Yes! Look at that! Okay, now.
Okay, guys, we got our beautiful Medal of Honor.
No, let me just write
This is kind of a fail, but we did get first place, as you can see. See, it's right in first. See, that's one and ST. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna upload a lot more lately. Like and subscribe. Comment some ideas down below, and we will see you guys later. Peace.